Hi everyone. So we are on our next topic. In this topic, I will tell you how to identify which kind of digital marketing the person you are dealing with, and it will also help you in vice versa form. That is, you must identify that which digital marketing you need for your work. So let's begin from the top. In the top, there are expert digital marketers, which are celebrity. For example, you will see in many events they post many kinds of video when many people know them from their face, so they are expert and celebrity digital marketer. Second are experts, which are highly trained in digital marketing. Third are those who are intermediate, those are in learning stage. Some are just beginner, they have just begun their career, and there are many things they have to learn now. Their experience is low, yeah, of course. On the basis of type of work, there are different types of digital marketing. Some involves in blogging, some involves in affiliate marketing, some are involved in SEO, some are involved in email marketing. They have their area of specialization. Yeah, but with time some digital marketer invest in different type of courses to gain more skills, and they make themselves expert in more fields, but still they say tell that they are expert in dash field of digital marketing. For example, if someone is expert in blogging, then he will always write that he is a blogger. If someone is expert in affiliate marketing, then he will always write that they are expert in affiliate marketing. With time they will train themselves to get more expertise, but still their basic expertise will be affiliate marketing. And in the same way for social media marketing, for search engine marketing, for SEO, there are different kind of expertise. Some goes into freelancing. They are freelancer digital marketer. Yeah, they also have some specialization for which they work. For example, you will see in many freelancing websites there are some freelancers which work as a social media marketer, as a virtual assistant. Some make profile for you on LinkedIn, and they make amazing a wow experience after making that LinkedIn profile or any such profile. And you will shock to know that even LinkedIn you can do SEO. You need some expert to do so, but SEO is possible in LinkedIn also. There are also some other social media where you can do SEO, because every organization makes some algorithm on which their application works. Then there are some goes into employment. For example, you may have seen that there are some digital marketer who are in employment in some digital marketing agency. Even some big company keep internal digital marketing team. Now a type of work they do, some invest their time in blogging and they earn from that. Some invest their time from affiliate marketing. Maximum people watching this video need affiliate marketing. That is very powerful tool. Then there are search engine optimization expert. They are expert in search engine optimization. From the beginning they are focused, their focused area is search engine marketing. Some are social media marketing expert. In social media marketing also There, some are expert in Facebook, some are expert in LinkedIn ads, some are expert in Pinterest ads, etc., etc. So there are different kind of expertise. Then some are expert in email marketing, some are expert in lead generation. So this lead generation, I think many people need to get this kind of people, because lead is very important for every business. It will bring business, it will expand your business, it will give you cash flow that will help you to grow. So then there are some SMS marketing expert. They know how and when to make SMSs. So in after this we will discuss type of work in which people experts, sorry, digital marketer experts. Some chooses field of consultancy. You may shock to know that when digital marketer give consultancy to other digital marketer, even some digital marketing agency invite some experts, some celebrity expert to teach them for 1 day or 2 day. Their fees are very high, but still they invite them. They give 1 or 2 day training, which is unprecedented training, which bring some changes in people. So in this way, some people involved in training, they train people, they make people learn that how to do digital marketing. And e-learning is very trending in present times. Some people are involved in services. For example, I am involved in services still. Some people are invest their time to open their own digital marketing agency. So they are busy in business. They are basically entrepreneurs, digital entrepreneurs. Some move towards the software as a service. They either hire some people to make what we say softwares, or they have internal team to make software. They make software and then they sell. So in this way, some digital marketers move towards SaaS. Some people involved in internal digital marketing, means there are some big companies. If they outsource some digital marketing, they are very expensive, and they are such a big brand that they don't want to outsource anything. So they hire digital marketing team. So some people are involved in employment in some big companies. So what's next? Some digital marketing move towards domain selling. It's not selling, it's reselling. They buy such a branded domain that it is not possible to ignore that domain, and they take very high price for that. Some do business of hosting reselling. They start hosting reselling. So they of course make some huge income. Some digital marketing involve themselves in multiple works. Not some, most of the person involved. They do training and consultancy together. Some people do services and consultancy together. I'm going to begin the consultancy service, but not right now. Some people open digital marketing agency plus consultancy. Some people do what they are in employment, but still they do affiliate marketing to make earn more earning. Some are busy in blogging and training. That means they are doing blogging and they are training people. how to make blog. Some involves in affiliate marketing and give training of affiliate marketing. They together open digital marketing agency also. In this way, there are many types of digital marketer. So you need to identify that which kind of digital marketer you need. There are some influencers. It will shock to know that there are some influencers. If they tell that XYZ product is good for you, people will start buying. For example, some SEO expert recommended they take that hosting. It will be good for you, and many people take that because he is actually expert. So that's all for together for today. We will move on to next topic tomorrow. And if you have any question, please feel free to ask in comment section. So see you tomorrow.